Hello friends, my name is Hameed. Today I'm working on this speed oven made by Electrolux. The customer's complaint is that, first of all, the unit is not heating. That's not related to this video I'm making, but the reason it's not heating is because we have problem with the door handle. The door handle causes the microwave or the speed oven to not work properly. Why? Because it's also part of the door hooks that gets engaged with the door switches, and if the door handle is loose like this, it shouldn't be loose like this. See, if it's loose like this, we're gonna have all kind of problems. The light problem, the light stays on inside of the unit. It's also related to this handle because the hooks that's part of this other side of this door is also not engaging properly. If the door is not closing or opening properly because of the bad handle, of course we're gonna have problem. The light can stay on, it can blow the fuse, it can cause heating issue that the microwave will not heat on this unit, or the main problem will be that you will not be able to open and close the door properly in a smooth way. It does not work like brand new. So today I will show you how to do this. First of all, I'm going to show you the model and serial number on this unit. It's easy to open it only from one side, but if I hold it from here, it may give me a hard time. Again, long story short, we have problem. Maybe at this moment I got magic hands, it's working the way I'm opening and closing it. But trust me, the customer tried it so many times and they were having a hard time. It's working on and off. So the model and serial number on this unit is, see, if I try to open it from here, it's not working. Open it from here, it works. The model and serial number is located right here. It's E30S075FPS, and this unit is from 2012. So I was talking about the switches on the side, and I'm gonna open and close the door and show you how it's working. Okay, so this is the door handle. See, when I wiggle it back and forth. So here I'm gonna go like this. And you just keep on it and see how it goes. You see that the stainless steel looking hook here, this. So I'm gonna also show you from other side. First of all, I'm gonna show you the switches here. I got one switch here. It's called micro switch. Another micro switch is here. Each time you're opening and closing the door, it engages and disengages the door switches. Here. And I will also go on other side. The same thing. Here we have one switch here. It's called micro switch. So I'm gonna open and close the door so you can see it. See, it hits it. We have a fuse here. It's a 10 amp slow blow fuse in one spot. We also have another fuse right here. This is another fuse that can blow. We got another fuse here on this noise filter board. Of course, this is our capacitor. Okay, so I'm not gonna go in details and talk about everything here. My focus is gonna be on this door handle. Sorry guys, but I had to talk a little bit. To fix this handle, we're gonna need a pry bar. It's a thinner size. You can also use a flat screwdriver, but a wide one. You do not want to use a thicker one. This one, or I also have a plastic one. You can also use plastic. Just make sure you don't break anything, that's all. So we're gonna open the unit. To do this, you do not have to turn off the power or turn on the power, it doesn't matter. Only you have to turn off the power and discharge the capacitor here is only if you have problem with the switches or if the fuse is blown because of the bad switch, or if you're working in this area, because I remove the panel here, the top panel, and then there's also another panel that I remove, which is here. I remove both of these units because I also had to repair one micro switch right here, that white one. So in order to fix this door handle, we're going to use this pry bar. We're going to use this pry bar. First of all, I'm going to talk and then I'll show you what needs to be done here. You see this plastic, only this plastic. From here it goes here, and then it goes right here. This plastic that's covering this area. You're going to use the pry bar, stick it on the side somewhere, just like that, in this open slot. You see, I got an open slot. If you have a thicker screwdriver, like a flat screwdriver, it's not going to work. So you want something thinner, almost like something like credit card. Stick it in here, and then from here you kind of pry it up a little bit slowly. See, I pry it up, do the same thing, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, here. Do not force it, take your time, because you do not want to break this piece. So this is more than enough. You can also remove this and pull it out by using the pry bar on this side or from other side like that, but I'm not going to do that because I can already see a small crack in here. I can see a small crack in here, so I'm not going to bother doing that. And now what I can do is, you need something smaller like this, just to stick it underneath here, just to hold us up. And now I'm going to show you what's happening here. See the way it's loose? There's one screw right there. You see that screw right there? That's the one we are going to retight. So I'm going to grab my drill here, and now I'm going to have to retight this. So it looks that I cannot use my drill, but I got this small ratchet. You can always use a small screwdriver too if you want. Here's the way it looks. I'm gonna stick it right here where that the screw is, and retight it just like that. I think I want to put my camera down, so with two hands I can do this easily without wasting so much time here. Okay, you can feel it now. You got some resistance here, right? That's good. Okay, it's good now. Here it's good. I'm sorry, my hand was My drill bit was a little bit far from the screw because you barely see it here, right? So let me show you. Okay, so I had to use my drill bit, and I'm going to show you where the screw is. I'm going to get my camera closer. Do you see that screw right there? That black screw. That's the one you're going to retighten because it goes to the handle. The same thing here. That screw goes at the bottom handle. Now I'm going to show you from here. See, the screw goes only on the okay, so after you retighten the screw back in, you can push this, see these clips, you push them back in. Make sure when you reinstall this part back in, you may want to kind of hold it a little bit this way so you can reinsert the plastic in here like that. Seems okay now. And look at this side, it has these tabs. You want to make sure everything sits down. This is not down. So you can also use your pry bar again just to lock it back in place. You do not want any gap in here. You want all the gaps to be the same from one side to another side. Okay. Here, now let's look at this. Beautiful. See, the handle is not loose like before. This is normal because you're supposed to put pressure on it and remove it. See, before I was only able to hold it from this side and open it. Now I can even hold it. Oh, I'm still having a little bit hard time. So you always want to hold it from the center. It doesn't matter if it's working from here or here. It's not important. The important part is you hold it from the center and open and close it. That's all. So the handle is repaired within 15 minutes, as you can see, and it's not really loose like before. If you still think it's a little bit loose, you can always retighten the screw, but do not strip it, because if you strip the screw, then you're gonna have to buy a new handle. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it with others. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's called Hameed Appliances Repair. And we also have a TikTok page. It's Hameed Appliances Repair, the same thing. Please, I request you, do not phone me on my phone number. Do not call me on my phone, because I work Monday to Friday from 8 to 4. And when I'm not very busy, I make these videos and post it out there for people to help themselves. Again, if you have any question, please always comment at the bottom of my video and I'll get back to you when I get a chance. Thank you so much.